Hey everyone, we've made the 12-hour bus journey to Salvador, the capital of the state of Bahia. We're going to explore here for the next couple of days and we're super excited, so let's go. Salvador is a vibrant city located in the northeastern state of Bahia. It is known for its rich Afro-Brazilian culture, stunning beaches, and colourful colonial architecture. Salvador is also famous for its delicious cuisine, which is heavily influenced by its African roots, which we were super excited to try out. Hey everyone, we are at Elevador Lacerda. It was the first urban elevator built in the world and it connects the lower and upper parts of the city. So we're going to go ride it up now, so let's go.
Elevador Lacerda was built in 1873 and is an iconic landmark and has been an important part of Salvador's history and culture for over a century. The elevator connects the lower and upper parts of the city, allowing residents and visitors to easily navigate the steep terrain of the area. From the top, it offers stunning views of Salvador Historic District and All Saints Bay.
Alright everyone, we just rode the Elevador Lacerda up to the upper part of the city.
It cost just 15 cents to get up here, but man, look at the views here.
Such a bargain.
Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. And then if you look behind us, you've got this beautiful square here as well. Check it out. Awesome. Alrighty, so we're now in the Pelourinho part of the city, and this area has a sad history linked to slavery, but now it's a colourful and lively part of the city, and it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So let's go explore.
Let's go.
Pelourinho is a historic neighbourhood known for its vibrant culture, colourful colonial buildings, and lively streets filled with music and capoeira. Pelourinho has a rich history that reflects the cultural influences of the indigenous, African, and European populations that have shaped the region. We wandered around the beautiful streets, soaking in the lively atmosphere, and tried some local dishes. Alrighty, so this morning we're having acai bowls for breakfast. I've never had them before, so I have no idea what to expect. I don't even know what acai is. So I've got the fruit version, which is got banana and strawberry. So let's dive in and check it out. It's supposed to be healthy, right?
Yeah.
That's all I know. Oh, it's like kind of hard. Okay, here we go. A big spoonful. Bon appetit. Oh, it's like frozen.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really cold.
Refreshing, isn't it?
Oh yeah. It's fruity. Is it a fruit?
Yeah, acai is kind of fruit.
Oh, it's really good. I love this. This is an awesome breakfast, especially here in a hot Salvador heat. Beautiful. This is the best breakfast ever. Not ever. It's not the best breakfast ever, but perfect for the occasion. Alright, so we've now taken the lift down to the lower part of the city and we're at Mercado Modelo.
Yeah, this is an artisan market and it's a good place to find local dishes, which we are going to do now.
So we've come upstairs to get some food. There are a bunch of restaurants up here. We have no idea which one we're at because there's a bunch of people that harass you to go to their restaurants. Oh, here we go.
Maria de Sao Pedro.
There we go, Maria de Sao Pedro. And then from here you get epic views. Look at this for a transition, look at that. So these are the views you get up here. Amazing. Alrighty, so we ordered moqueca, which is a local dish. It's a seafood stew with a tomato base. So let's give this bad boy a try. Oops. Wow, that's a big chunk of fish. That fish just falls apart. Okay, let's give this a try. It's good. It's very seafoody.
Yeah.
There's not a hell of a lot of flavor in that sauce there. Alright, so the dish comes with pirão, and like everything in Brazil, it comes with farofa and rice. But yeah, this pirão is like rice flour, isn't it?
Rice flour.
Yeah, so it's kind of goopy, and it's got like a bunch of spices and stuff in there. I'm not sure what makes it orange, but there's something in there that makes it orange. But yeah, and this farofa is, I'm not sure what it's made of, but it's kind of crunchy. It adds like texture. Cassava. It adds texture to your food, so it's kind of good. It doesn't really taste like anything, it just adds texture. The next day we set off to explore the Baja neighborhood, to check out a unique lighthouse and to enjoy the local beaches. Hey everyone, we are at the southern tip of Salvador, and right behind me is Farol de Baja, and it is a quite unique lighthouse because it's built on top of the Fort Antonio de Baja. So let's go check it out. Farol de Baja is a historic lighthouse located in the Baja neighborhood of Salvador. The lighthouse stands at the entrance of All Saints Bay and has been guiding ships since the 17th century. Its strategic location has made it an important part of Salvador's history, as it played a key role in the defense against invasion during the colonial era. Today there is a small museum inside the fort, and you can climb to the top of the lighthouse for some epic views of Salvador. Alrighty, we're now inside the fort. It costs 15 reais per person, and when you come in there's a small exhibition, and you can also climb to the top of the lighthouse, and the views up here are absolutely amazing. Check them out. We marveled at the views a little bit from the top of the lighthouse before checking out the little museum inside the fort. After exploring the fort, we stayed in the Baja area and spent the afternoon lying around on a beautiful beach until it poured with rain. Alrighty, so a short walk from Farol de Baja Lighthouse is a beach called Praia Porto de Baja, and it's a really popular beach with the locals, so let's go check it out. Alright, so we've got ourselves a couple of chairs here and an umbrella on the beach. We've ordered ourselves a couple of drinks. So we're just going to relax here for a little bit, go for a swim, and just enjoy the afternoon.
Assar na hora, queijo coalho. Queijo coalho. Assadinho na brasa. Só aqui na Baía de Salvador. Assar na hora e não demora.
Alright, so we're with the cheese bloke now, and he's grilling up some cheese here for us on the beach. 5 reais per stick. It's looking good. It smells like cheddar. And he waves away, keeping the coals hot. So he just walks up and down the beach, selling this food. Looks good. Look at that. Magic. Yeah, so he's got this little portable grill that he just carries around the beach. Oh, look at that.
Queijo coalho.
Oh,
Vai no pratinho.
magic.
Vai no pratinho. Vai no pratinho.
There we go.
Vai no pratinho.
There we go.
Vai
Look
no
at this.
pratinho, venha.
Looks
Vai no
awesome.
pratinho.
Obrigado.
Obrigado. Comelaço. Comelacinho.
Okay, so here's the finished result. Our grilled cheese on the beach. Now I'm ready to give it a try. I'm starving now. Alrighty, so we've got our grilled cheese now. Let's give this a try. It's so awesome. He just carries that grill up and down the beach. Whoa, stuck together. Yeah, so he carries that grill up and down the beach, and you just yell out to him. He comes over, he pulls out the cheese out of his little esky, and then you know, starts waving his coals and grills it up. But anyway, he put some sauce on here. He called it caramello or something, so it might be a little bit sweet. I have no clue, but I'm going to dig in now and give this a try. Oh yeah, that is sweet, that sauce. No, we got. I mean, yeah. This is heavenly, this cheese. So good. Oh my god. It kind of tastes like cheddar, just grilled cheddar, a block of grilled cheddar. And that sauce is a little bit sweet. I'm not sure if I'd get the sauce on there next time though. I think I like the saltiness. But yeah, awesome, awesome, awesome.
Good morning everyone, we are now leaving Salvador and we are currently at the bus terminal, Rodovaria, and we're going to take the bus to the next destination, still in Bahia, but stay tuned to see where we are going.
We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't had enough of Brazil, we have a full playlist of Brazil travel vlogs.